Good morning, guys. Hope you guys are doing great. My name is Gaurish. I am back with about 4 to 5 hot stocks to watch for today. So let's get started for today, guys. The first stock that I'll be talking about, name of the company is Hycroft Mining Holding. Ticker symbol is HYMC. Pre-market price is 1.81. It is up by about 30% today. Before us volume is 11 million. The news for this stock came in yesterday after the market closed. So Hycroft provides first quarter 2022 operating and financial results. As per their news, a gold and silver development company which owns the Hycroft mine in the prolific mining region of northern Nevada announces that it has filed for its 10Q for the first quarter of 2020, and the CEO have commented on yesterday's meeting that results from the first quarter are particularly in welcoming two new investors, Eric Spot and AMC Entertainment. So so there are two new investors into the company, and the balance sheet is also strengthened. They That allows them to reduce their debts and complete their technical studies and launch a robust exploration program to capitalize on recent exploration results. So this is some great news that they have announced on the first quarter of 2022, and that is why people are watching this stock today morning and they are trading into them. As you can see, the before hour volume is 11.1 million. Now let's get to the second stock. The name of the company is Sonim Technologies Inc. Ticker symbol is SONM. Pre-market price is 0.89. It is up by about 35% today. Before hours volume is 6.21 million for this stock. News for this stock was that Sonim announces purchase orders from top US carrier for next generation rugged phones. So they have received up to about $9.5 million from a top US customer, carrier customer. The purchase order cover initial stock inventory for two of the company's next generation ultra rugged phones to be introduced in 2022, and they are making two new phones, and the purchase order will be covering those phones, the XP5 Plus feature phone and XP10 5G rugged smartphone. So these are the two phones that they'll be making in the future, and for that they have secured a totaling of $9.5 million from a US carrier customer. So this was the news that came in today morning at 8 a.m. And after this news came out, like, the people have started watching this stock, and before its volume is 6.3 million, as you can see. Then this is the second stock to watch. The third stock, name of the company is Austin Gold Corp. Ticker symbol is AUST. Pre-market price is 5.44. It is up by about 25% today. Before its volume is 2.8 million for this stock. And the news for this stock was that Austin Gold Corp prices 13 million in IPO of common shares. So this news was yesterday in the morning, before the market opened yesterday. So what happened was, in this stock there was an IPO of this stock, and it started at around 4 and it went up to about $28 yesterday, and then it came again down to $4. So but even then, after this, people are still holding this stock, which you can see is 2.8 million, and slowly I think people are building their portfolios. They are getting this stock into their portfolio. So this is the third stock. Because of the before hours volume, I thought, like, I should also consider this stock as well, and it is already up about $1 today. So this is the third stock to watch. The next stock, the name of the company is Intercept Pharmaceuticals. Ticker symbol is ICPT. Pre-market price is $20. Before as volume is 25. Before the volume is 1.75 million, and it is up by about 25% today. News for this stock was that Intercept announces Advanced Pharma to acquire Ocalavia in PBC in markets outside the US for up to 450 million. So they have Intercept has another company which is named as Advanced Pharma. So this company will be acquiring Ocalavia in the markets outside the US for up to 450 million, including 405 million upfront and an additional 45 million in contingent payments. So this news came in today morning at 7:17 a.m. and after this news came out, as you can see, it increased to up to 21 and $22, and then it came down again. The last stock to watch for today, name of the company is Entera Bio. Ticker symbol is ENTX. Pre-market price is 2.56. It is up by about 7% today. Before as volume is 2.74. News for this stock was that they have announced a recently filed multiple US patent applications to further strengthen the company's patent protection and support future developments. So this was the news that came in today morning at 8 a.m. and it is not increased by much, but I am also watching this stock as well. So just wanted to let you guys know that what I am watching for today. And if you are liking my videos, if you are earning any profits from them, please like, share and subscribe to my channel so that you can get daily recommendations for the morning, what things I am watching, what stocks that I'll be watching, penny stocks. So but keep in mind that these are penny stocks, so these are pretty risky stocks. So book your profits within 10 to 15% and then exit from the stocks as soon as possible, because these are penny stocks, so I don't want you guys to lose money. So yeah, that was my advice. Thank you for watching guys, and have a great day.